Hey, would you agree with me that once you become a mother, your life completely changes? And you know what? Our priorities start changing in life. Like work from home becomes so much more important because we want to be with our child and still keep our careers on. It becomes so much more important to earn more money because finances suddenly start becoming more important. We want to give that great education to our child, that great lifestyle that we have been dreaming as a parent we would give to our children. And the most important thing that kicks in is your time management. We want to be more with the child, do less work, but still earn a lot of money for our own child. If you resonate with that, then you and me have something in common to talk about. I'm Harvi Shah. I'm the founder of Bling Bag, which is an online fashion jewelry store, and I'm also a fashion business coach wherein I help ambitious women start and scale their fashion brands. Now, what I spoke about as a mother, life changes, priorities change. That's exactly what I experienced in 2015 when I gave birth to a beautiful child. And I also launched my first business, Bling Bag, in the 8th month of my pregnancy. Now, at that time, I was working in an IT company, traveling a lot, staying out of India, staying away from the family, and I knew my job is not going to give me all these time, money, freedom, work from home that I wanted to be with the child and still be a working woman. And I thought that with all of these added responsibilities, I need to do something that I'm really passionate about so that I can keep my career on and also be a beautiful mother. And I feel that every woman has one strong area of passion within her, and that is fashion. Fashion and female are so strongly connected since the time this woman was born. So ask yourself, are you passionate about fashion? Because if you are, then I want to tell you that you can be an amazing fashion entrepreneur, and you don't need fancy fashion degrees or fashion education or business education. I never had any, but I still could become a pretty successful fashion entrepreneur in the fashion jewelry space. And today in this video, I want to share with you top 10 business ideas that you can have, businesses that you can start from the comfort of your house without any previous background, without any warehouse, without any team. You can be an entrepreneur sitting at home and start one of these 10 businesses, be with your child, earn a lot of money for your child, and also show your child how being independent and how an entrepreneur works. So, with that said, let's get straight into knowing what are these 10 business ideas. The first one that you have is you can start an apparel brand. It could be something in the ethnic space or in the western space, maybe kurtis, saris. In the western space, it could be jumpsuits, it could be A-liner dresses, it could be skirts, it could be overcoats or blazers, depending on who your customer would be. You can have an apparel brand, a clothing brand, start a label of your own. Even if you are not a designer, you can curate the products and start your apparel brand. There are so many manufacturers who have amazing creations and collections and styles of kurtis and saris, and explore and you will see so many options if you want to start your own apparel brand. That's number one. The second one is you can start a brand which is related to kids products. Being a mother, I'm sure you would have researched so many things, the best things that you can give to your child: toys, books, clothes, and lot of other things, accessories that kids need. You can start a kids brand so that you can curate amazing products for fellow mothers and have your own business from your house. The third one that you can start is something that I did, which is a jewelry brand. Jewelry is a very growing segment in India, like all other segments, even apparels, kids products, all of these are growing segments, jewelry being one. And you can be a jewelry curator and curate products, curate jewelry in your brand so that you can have that amazing collection of very specific kind of jewelry, be it pearl jewelry or kundan jewelry or temple jewelry. There are so many sub segments within jewelry, whatever you are passionate about and you are interested in, you can have that brand started. So that's the third business idea, that you can start from the comfort of your house, be with your child, and keep your career on, keep your entrepreneurship journey on. The fourth business is around bags. This is also a very, very interesting segment to be in. There are so many different types of bags and wallets and laptop bags. See what interests you, what you are passionate about. I'm sure each woman is capable of curating products in at least three of the fashion areas that I'm going to speak about. Okay, so if you think, oh my god, I don't know whether I'm good in that or not, keep those 30 minutes with yourself aside and see what your passion areas are. So you can start a bags brand. Again, if you are not a designer like me, you are also not a designer, then don't be afraid to reach out to manufacturers, see what options you have in the market from where you can curate a collection that you love. The fifth business that you can start from home is something related to shoes. You can start Kolhapuri chappals, jutis, and a lot of other options within shoes category that you can have, and you can start a very, very specific shoe brand for specific customers depending on the styles that you like and you want to curate. The sixth business is accessories, something beyond the bags and shoes. Other accessories like hair accessories, you can start something in scarves, in mask chains, and a lot of other accessories that you can curate and create a cool accessory brand. So that's the sixth business idea that I have for you. The seventh one is home decor. If you are somebody who is very, very passionate about beautifying your house and you have a good taste of what looks good where in the house, then you can start your own home decor brand. Look at wall hangings, look at art paintings, look at some nice flower vases, pots, lot of things, a huge segment to play in, and find out a very, very specific narrow segment in which you can start your own home decor brand, wall furnishing and other furnishings in the house, curtains, sofas, a lot of things that you can furnish, and you can have your own home decor brand. I run a community and we have so many amazing cool home decor brands which women without any fashion background, they are starting off, and you can start by yourself as well. So that's the seventh business. The eighth one is kitchenware. If you're somebody who loves cooking, if you know exactly the right kind of things that a woman would need in the kitchen, then you can get into crockery, cutlery, and a lot of other bakingware, kitchenware products, wherein you can help a specific segment of people finding the right kind of products for their hobby, for their day-to-day cooking, for their amazing dishes that they cook, and a lot of products which can be curated in the kitchenware segment. So think about it. If you love cooking, this is one area that you have to definitely try out and be a brand curator in this. The ninth one is lifestyle products. You know, those fancy, cute looking electronics or amazing fancy bottles, cups, lot of lifestyle products, bags, again, very specific, lunch boxes, and there are lots and lots of things within a lifestyle product brand wherein you can have very aspirational products curated and create a brand around that. So that's a ninth business idea that I have for you. And the 10th one is something stationery. If you're somebody like me who loves stationery, then this is another segment for you to explore. Cool stationery, very cute looking unicorn stationery, depending on which target market you want to create a stationery brand for. Is it for office goers or is it for kids? Depending on that, you can curate your products. The point I want to make is that you are passionate in one or the other area in the fashion space, and if you are passionate about that, then you can explore becoming a fashion entrepreneur. I run this community called Fashionpreneur Club, and I also have a free training going on. If you want to explore starting a fashion brand in any of these categories, then the link to join the training is down below this video. So click on that link, register. It's a free training, and understand what are the steps and the secrets if you want to start your own fashion brand. With that said, thank you so much. All the best on your entrepreneurship journey, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.